Hello children. Now we discuss the image formation by convex mirrors. Okay, so we have studied the rules. So what are the different types of incident rays may fall on the convex mirror, and what will happen to these rays after reflection according to the rules that we have learned in the last class. And now we are going to find what are the different characteristics of image formed by the convex mirror at different points of the object. Okay, and here we are going to find what are the different characteristics of all the images found by the convex mirror. So here we are having only two cases. So wherever we place, we know that the convex mirror can give you only the virtual and erect image. So there are only two cases related with the convex mirror. So first case we are going to keep at a far off distance called infinity. Infinity is a far off distance. So we are going to keep, that is the first case where we are going to keep an object at a far off distance called infinity. And we will, with the help of a ray diagram, we will find what type of image will be formed, where will be the image formed, and what are the different characteristics of image formed by a convex mirror. Okay, for that ray diagram is ready in front of you. And here this is a convex mirror having an aperture mm dash. The bending surface is the non-reflecting side, and center pole, principal focus, and C is the center of curvature of this mirror. And here the object has been placed at a far off distance called AB. AB is an object placed at a far off distance. Even though you can see that object nearby the rays, but think that this object is placed at a far off distance infinity. So to show that in a ray diagram, I have drawn the object AB very close to the mirror. So please think that this is at infinity. So this is the first case where an object is placed at infinity, and we consider some parallel rays coming out of the object AB. So this is the first incident ray parallel to the principal axis. This is the second incident ray that is also parallel to the principal axis. And according to the rule, we know that what will happen to these rays, both are parallel to the principal axis. So according to the rule, we know that these parallel rays meet the mirror at different points. So AO is the first ray, incident ray that strikes the mirror at O of a convex mirror, and it get reflected along this direction, but this ray appears to be from the principal focus. This is the reflected ray. That ray appears to be coming from this point. This point is called the principal focus. And this is the second reflected ray, second incident ray, that is also parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, this will be the direction of the reflected ray. But this also appears to be coming from the point F of the mirror. This is also from the point F. Clear? This is also coming from the common point F. So this here F is the point of intersection of these two reflected rays. Clear? This reflected ray appears to be from this point F, and this is another reflected ray or second reflected ray that is also appears to be coming from the same point F, or F is the point of intersection of the reflected rays. Okay, F is the point of intersection of the reflected rays, but really the rays are going in different direction. This is the first reflected ray, but this is the second reflected ray, but these two rays appears to be from a common point on the principal axis, and that point is called the principal focus of the convex mirror. That is a virtual point. No such point lies in front of the non-reflecting side of a convex mirror, but we call that as the virtual point, where we will get the virtual image of the virtual spherical mirror. Okay, so here this is the location of the image. F is the location of the image. We will get very pointed sized image, virtual and erect image in front of the non-reflecting side of the mirror. Okay, so these are the details of the image formed by convex mirror. In this case, we will write the position, size and nature. What is the position of the image at infinity? What is the size of the image? Very diminished, because at F very diminished image. And what is the nature? Virtual, and it is erect one, not inverted, erect one, correct side up. So these are the details of image formed by this particular mirror. Position at infinity, and this is the size of the mirror, and this is the nature, that is virtual and erect. These are the different details of image formed by a convex mirror. In this case, when we place an object at a far off distance called infinity, the convex mirror will give you an image that is virtual, and erect one that is at the principal focus of the mirror, and uh, it is a virtual image, virtual and erect image. These are the details of the image given by the convex mirror in this particular case. Okay, thank you.